Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. Alright. This is Don the Diecast Pirate. And today I got something a little special to show you guys. Because Mike, my good friend Mike, I'm his #1 subscriber over at Mike's Mods and Customs, sent me a package. And everybody else is showing what they got, so I'm going to show it too. I figured I'd wait until about a month before this was due, but you know what? Hey, shows what happens when I think, right? Alright, so we got some plastic in here and get rid of, and so let me just pull this letter out here. I already read it, and he did send a couple logos. I already put one of them up. Let's just change this camera angle a little bit so you can see. It's right up there, right alongside Cole's over at Kuda's Diecast Customs. And Jay, my buddy Jay's Diecast Creations. Alright, so let's see what we have in this box here. There's a couple of cars in here. Let's get this other logo out first. So there's that one. Speaking of logos, I would love to have my own logo, my own banner. I'm just not good at making that type of thing. Got somebody working on one, I hope. Don't know when I'll get it, but alright. So, first we'll show you this. This is a factory fresh 06 Pontiac GTO. And, yeah. So I looked at these in the store and I was like, I never thought about buying one, but he sent me one, so thank you for that, Mike. And then on to what we have here is the Captain America. It's a 40 Ford Coupe. Alright. So here we go. Don, thanks for joining my build-off. Enclosed, you will find a 1940 Ford Coupe for our challenge. Rules are simple. Use casting provided. Modify/customize as you desire. Post a pre-build video showing your viewers what's to come. Due date is June 6th. Most important rule, have fun. One last thing, why not let's pay it forward and give these away when completed. P.S. Your fellow builders are Kuda's Diecast Customs, SoMo Diecast, Flying Valiant, and Mike's Mods and Customs. Happy modeling, Mike. Alright, so let's just go ahead and pop this. You know what, let's just leave it in there. And when I go to make the video, that's when we'll take it out. So we'll just keep that right in that on that card until that date. Alright. So stay tuned for that, coming up on June 6th. And yep, as always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.